You see here is a Biovision monitor installed in a cooling water system located in a power plant. Water enters the system through the big pipe and flows to the condenser. Biovision monitor is connected to a tap point of the cooling water pipe. To the Biovision monitor you can take out the coupons quite easily, and you can see if there's biofouling present on the coupons, which is representative of the fouling situation inside the cooling water pipe it is connected to. So this is an example of one of the biofouling coupons inside the Biovision monitor. There are 5 coupons inside the monitor, and each have a slightly different shape, and turbulence is different, which mimics the differences in water conditions and turbulences and flow velocities in the cooling water pipe and in the cooling water system in general. So this is another Biovision monitor located in the same plant but in a different location. The reason why this is in a different location is because this has another dosing point. It's another point in the cooling water system, and the chlorine concentration, for example, can be different and has a different effect on the biofouling growth in the cooling water system of a plant. To see what the differences in cooling water composition means for the biofouling buildup inside